She's pregnant with octuplets, various heads to push. hmm I think various is an anagram indicator. Then heads is a selection. So kukunin natin yung mga first letters ng mga words. Then i-anagram. Oops. P, W, O, ay wait. Kulang. Mali. Okay, let's try different approach. What if pregnant is a containing indicator? Kasi merong babies inside, so may kino-contain. So she, pregnant with octuplets, so various heads. Okay, so I think correct pa rin yung heads kukunin natin, but since heads plural, so word na octuplets, kukunin yung first and last letters. So she and OS. So I think yun nga yung various heads, so magkabilang ulo I think, kaya kukunin yung O and S. Okay, so since containing shoes, check. Mali. Okay, heads to push. Let's use indicator. Okay, so correct ako sa pregnant, containing, heads, selection. Okay, so part of father si Varios. So, shove. Shove. She, then yung heads, yung first letter ng octuplets and Varios which are O and V. So, ilalagay ang OV inside the word she. So, shove, to push. Check. Okay. So, I think simple lang naman talaga. Hindi ko lang na-analyze na mabuti. Bye!